Guys, what's up? In this video, we will be studying about the provisions of Regulating Act of 1773. So, we will study the Regulating Act of 1773. So, this video will be in English language, and after watching this video, I will also try to revise the video. And after watching the video, you should at least try to remember the points which I will be telling you. So I'll try to make it easy. So what I have done is I have divided the Regulating Act into 5 points. The first one is Calcutta, and the second one is Governor General, and third one is Annual Financial Statement, and fourth one is No Private Trade and More Power. So if you want to study the Regulating Act of 1773, divide this act into 5 basic provisions as I told you. So let us start. So first one is Calcutta. So why have I written this word? So the reason is that the Regulating Act of 1773, okay, so it was like the constitution of the British India, okay, so East India Company. So during you know that our constitution was formed on 1949 and implemented in 1950. So during 1773, what happened was that in 1757 there was a battle called the Battle of Plassey, okay, and in 1764 which battle took place? Battle of Buxar, you know. So after this battle, the Britishers, the East India Company, gained lot of power. They thought that now, since both the battles are over, now it is very easy for us to dominate India. So what happened was that during 1773, the East India Company did not have the did not have the entire Indian territory. Only Bengal region was under the East India Company. So what they did was that they first thing what they did was that they established Supreme Court in Calcutta. So SC I am writing, okay, Supreme Court. So Supreme Court was established in Calcutta, and they had 3 judges in Supreme Court. 3 plus 1 judges, one will be the Chief Justice. So Supreme Court was established in Calcutta. So first thing you should remember is Kolkata or Calcutta Supreme Court was established. So now next question is, present day, where is the Supreme Court? Present day, where is the Supreme Court? You know, if you know the answer, you can write it in the comment section. Is it in Kolkata, present day Supreme Court? But through Regulating 73, Supreme Court was established in Calcutta. And why it was established? To administer justice in British India. Okay, so first point is clear. Definitely, with 3 wings of government are legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature is Vidhayika, executive is Karyapalika, and judiciary is Nyayapalika. So first thing was Supreme Court was established in India. Why? To administer justice in British India. Number 2, Governor General. So during that time there was no Prime Minister, no President, okay. So head of any company, so of Bengal, was Governor General. So Supreme Court, what it did, it introduced the provision of Governor General to have council of 4 members, okay. So this Governor General will have a council of 4 members. These 4 members will help the Governor General. So sometimes in exam they ask you the question, through Regulating Act of 1773, Governor General will have a council of 4 members. So these 4 members will help Governor General. So now let us revise. First point I told you was, will you remember, whenever I tell you about Regulating Act, just remember 2 words, Calcutta and Governor General. So when I tell you about Kolkata, so always remember that they established Supreme Court in Calcutta to administer justice in British India. Second was the Governor General. Easy point. Governor General is introduced the provision of Governor General to have council of 4 members. So this Governor General will have council of 4 members. Third, Annual Financial Statement. It is very important one. We called AFS in short, okay. AFS is nothing but the budget, okay. So again I will get to red color. So Annual Financial Statement. So this act, which act? 1773, first act passed by British India, okay. So 1773. So it mandated the annual financial statement to be presented in the British Parliament. Okay, so British Parliament means in UK. Okay, so all decisions were taken in United Kingdom. Okay, during that time, so decisions were taken in United Kingdom and implemented in India through East India Company. Okay, so that was the power, the amount of power they had. So one thing which I want to tell you is, from 1773 till 1558, who ruled India? India was not ruled by British. It was ruled by only one company. 1858, it was East India Company. And from 1858 to 1947, who ruled India? It was ruled by British India. So this is called as the company rule. This is called as the 1858 to 1947 is called Crown Rule. Okay. So they ask sometimes company rule date they will ask you, and Crown Rule date ask you. So Regulating Act is little bit difficult to understand, but after watching this, I don't know, but you have to memorize these 3 points. So first is Kolkata. So Kolkata, what I told you, Supreme Court was established. Second, Governor General will have a council of 4 members to assist him. Third one is annual financial statement. So it mandated the use. Mandated means it allowed the use of annual financial statement to be presented to the British India. Okay, so British India. So annual financial statement is nothing but the budget. Okay, so how will the company run? How will West Bengal run? So they were presenting the budget. Okay, I am changing the color again. Okay, sorry. Annual financial statement. So annual financial statement, it mandated the use of annual financial statement to be prepared in the British India. So annual financial statement is which article? It is 112 of in the Constitution India. So the term budget is not mentioned in the Constitution of India. It is the word annual financial statement is mentioned in the Constitution of India. So what I told you, Kolkata ki Supreme Court was established. Governor General was allowed to assist 4 members and annual financial statement, यानी कि बजट को इंट्रोड्यूस कराया गया था. So 3 points are clear. Number 4 point which is important. So we are discussing the topic. Always try to link with the topic. 1773 Regulating Act. So it was told that it prohibited Indian servants from engaging in private trade. So this is civil servant. Okay, Indian civil servant. Okay, so he is Indian civil servant. Okay, so he is working in office. Okay, he cannot do business. Okay, or he cannot run a YouTube channel. So during that time, no YouTube channel was there, but still I am telling you, no private trade. You cannot do private trade. That was important. And number 5 is it initiated the process of centralizing power under British Crown by granting British government greater oversight over the East India Company. So what happened was that 1757 में क्या हुआ था? Battle of Plassey took place, or 1764 में Battle of Buxar took place. So what happened in this? The Britishers cleared the prelims exam. You can think like that. Or 1764 में the Britishers cleared the mains exam. Okay, now they have lot of power, and 1773, after 9 years, Regulating Act is taking place. Okay, so Regulating Act, what happened was that now centralizing power is there. Centralizing means what? You know, this is India. Okay, just a rough map. This is India. So this is India. Okay, so this is Bengal. Okay, so centralizing means India, now they will expand in north, now they will expand in south, now they will expand in east, now expand in east and west. So centralizing power, yani ki they are increasing their power. So more power. So it gave more power to what? It gave more power, more centralizing power under the British Crown by granting British India government greater oversight over the East India Company. Now let us revise. Okay, so I told you 5 points. Okay, I'll change again. I'll take pencil this time. Let me see, for the first time I am taking pencil. So Regulating Act, if first is Regulating Act. Okay, Regulating Act, yes. So Regulating Act, remember how many points? 5 points. So let us revise. First one is, tell me, first one is Kolkata. Second one is Governor General. Third one is annual financial statement. Fourth one is bribe. You cannot bribe, take bribe, being a civil servant. Or third one is centralizing power. So CGABC. A, B, C, C, G, or C, G, B. So let us now again change the color of the ink, because I don't like the color. Okay, because sorry. So C is what? tell me regulating act. So after starting this video, you watch this video one more time, okay? I request you to watch this video one more time. Just don't forget, okay? See, there are many acts: regulating act of 1773, 81, then you have 91, 93, 13, 1813, 1833, 1853, 1858, under Crown Rule, 1861, Indian Councils Act, 1892, 1909 Morley Minto reforms, 1919, and 1935 an Indian Independence Act of 1947, 1935 Government of India Act. So you have to around 12 acts are there, okay? So if you have to work hard. So if in every act you remember 5 provisions, total number of provisions will be 60. So why to forget it? Just remember this trick for regulating act. C, Kolkata. Second one is Governor General. Third one is A for annual financial statement. B for bribe. And fifth one is centralizing power. So now let me tell you. Okay, so tell me again. C for Kolkata, Supreme Court was established. Second one is Governor General will have 4 members to assist him. Third one is annual financial statement to be prepared, and prohibited civil servants from engaging in private trade. So private trade means no bribe. You cannot, being a civil servant, not actually bribe, it is private trade, okay? You cannot run business, okay? And fifth one is it initiated the process of centralizing power to British Crown by granting British India government greater oversight over East India Company. So it initiated the process of centralizing power. So now powers of East India Company has increased. That's all for today. Thank you very, very much for your precious time. You have given me so much time. I am really thankful.